All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're going to see what's going on around the shop. All right, Bam Bam has a Jeep Wrangler that came in with a, rod knock. So he is putting a remanufactured engine into it. It's going well, not too many problems. Should have it running tomorrow. But yeah, it confirmed had a rod knock. He took the oil pan off, and yeah, knock. Babbitt material was in the oil pan. All right, well, today for me was Jeep Alternator Day. I did 2 alternators, one on a Liberty and one on a Patriot, I think, 2.4, whatever it is. And both of them came in with a bad alternator. Both of them got an alternator. Did some other stuff. One of the things I did was diagnose this Audi. It has a intake runner control fault. And unfortunately, one of the intake runners is not going to base position without vacuum. It's staying open slightly, so probably either got something broke or stuck in there. So we're gonna have to take the intake manifold off and all that kind of good stuff because it is supercharged. I already got the intake runners pre-sold, so once we get in there, get them taken apart and find out what's going on. Before I get the comments, because I know I will, I've already checked both vacuum actuators. They both work. They both hold vacuum. The sensors move, but it doesn't go to base. So Zach knocked out a bunch of work today. He's doing a bunch of AC work on this CRV, so he should have that done tomorrow. Daniel doing a bunch of suspension work on this one, and this week he actually finished his first ever engine swap. Put a 4.3 in a Silverado. Had some little issues there, here and there, but overall, thumbs up. And, well, he's rocking and rolling now back to his, tire shop roots. Billy also had Jeep Day. He had a couple Jeeps come in, couple different issues on a couple different Jeeps. This one, I believe, is the one he did a software update on, and it's still setting a cam correlation code. I was letting him use my Pico. Pretty sure the cam sensor has already been replaced. I think it's out of sync. Those are kind of a pain in the butt to sync, but I haven't been able to find a known good on a 04, so I don't know. I gotta do some more research on that, but that's tomorrow's problem. All right, Eric, well, he's having the most fun of everybody. He's putting an engine in a Land Rover. Yes, it is cab off. Luckily for him, as he's actually been a Land Rover dealer tech, this is our last ever major work on any Land Rover. Posted a video Monday about my tier system on European cars. Go watch it. But anyway, this car is our last Land Rover because, well, most Land Rovers don't spend money like this. So he's getting to have the fun of putting an engine in this thing. He's not happy about it, but this is our last one, so he can get back to doing Honda timing belts and real work instead of working on these turds. Cole, this truck is a 3-valve Ford, and it has been sitting for a couple years. He did a bunch of work on it. It came back with a light misfire on one cylinder. It looks like it's going to be a ring sealing issue. So we've got transmission fluid in that cylinder. Going to let it soak overnight. He's going to come in the morning, knock it all back together, test drive it, and then he's off for the rest of the day because he's got a wedding to go to. Not his. But Cole also knocked out a bunch of work, as did Eric. Eric knocked out a bunch of work earlier today and then did this. Eric's good. Because I can tell you, it's a good thing he's done this before because it'd take me a lot longer than this. I can pop off a Ford chassis, no problem. This would have been a lot more work. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.